Humana, the health insurance giant, found itself in hot water recently. Why? Their Medicare Advantage plans got hit with some not-so-great ratings. This news sent shockwaves through the stock market. Humana's stock price took a nosedive, plummeting faster than a lead balloon. This wasn't just a minor blip. This was Humana's worst stock performance since the 2008 financial crisis. Investors were left reeling. Was this a sign of things to come? The culprit? Medicare decided to downgrade the star ratings of many Humana plans. These ratings are a big deal. They directly impact how much money the government pays to insurance companies. Lower ratings mean less cash for Humana. Ouch. The market had been buzzing with rumors of this downgrade. But when Humana confirmed the news, it was like a sucker punch to investors' guts. The message was clear. Humana was in trouble. Medicare isn't just some monolithic entity, it's got different parts. One of those parts is called Medicare Advantage. Think of it like Medicare's cooler, more popular cousin. Now, Medicare Advantage plans aren't all created equal. Some are better than others. That's where the star rating system comes in. Medicare uses a 5-star system to rate these plans. 5 stars, you're golden. 1 star, yikes. These ratings are based on a whole bunch of factors: quality of care, customer service, how well the plan covers different services. You get the idea. And here's the kicker. These ratings directly impact how much money insurance companies get from the government. Higher ratings mean bigger bonuses. Lower ratings, well, let's just say it cuts into their profits. Wall Street is like that friend who loves to gossip. And when Humana's Medicare news broke, the rumor mill went into overdrive. Analysts were frantically updating their models. Some downgraded Humana's stock rating, others slashed their price targets. It was a bloodbath. Investors, those skittish creatures, started jumping ship faster than you can say diversified portfolio. Humana's stock price became the financial equivalent of a freefall. But amidst all the doom and gloom, a glimmer of hope emerged. Some analysts, those eternal optimists, saw a potential for recovery. They argued that Humana still had some fight left in it. The question on everyone's mind, was this a temporary setback or a sign of Humana's impending doom? Only time will tell. Time. A ripple effect. The industry holds its breath. Humana's woes weren't just their own. The entire health insurance industry was watching with bated breath. You see, Humana is a big player in the Medicare Advantage game, and their troubles sent a chill down the spines of other insurers. Could this be a sign of things to come for the entire industry? Were Medicare Advantage plans about to become less profitable? These questions kept CEOs up at night. The upcoming release of official Medicare star ratings only added to the anxiety. It was like waiting for the results of a crucial exam. Everyone was on edge. Humana's stumble had become a cautionary tale. The industry was on high alert. So what's next for Humana? Can they recover from this Medicare mess? The road ahead is long and uncertain. But it's not all doom and gloom. Humana has some things working in its favor. They've been around the block. They know the ins and outs of the insurance game. Plus, they've got deep pockets. They can weather this storm, at least for a while. But here's the catch. They need to fix the problems that got them into this mess in the first place. They need to improve the quality of their Medicare plans. They need to make sure their customers are happy. It's not going to be easy. But if Humana plays their cards right, they might just pull themselves out of this hole. The future of Humana remains shrouded in mystery. Will they rise from the ashes like a phoenix? Or will they crumble under the weight of their Medicare woes? One thing's for sure, they've got a lot of work to do. They need to regain the trust of investors. They need to convince the market that there's still a good bet. It's a high-stakes game, and the clock is ticking. The coming months will be crucial for Humana. Will they sink or swim? Stay tuned. This is one story you won't want to miss.